Okay, today we learn about the volume. Our learning intention today is to learn about the volume. And first of all, let's talk about units of volume. If length measured in centimeters, meters, kilometers, area, centimeters squared, meters squared, then volume measured in cubic units. So, what are the relationship between them? So we have 1 millimeter cubic, 1 centimeter cubic, 1 meter cubic, and 1 kilometer cubic. And how we convert between them? In one, how many millimeters in one? How many millimeters in 1 centimeter? Josh? 10. In the square, how many square millimeters in the square centimeter? 10 squared 100. Here will be 10 cubed because it's 10 by 10 by 10. So from millimeters cubic to centimeters cubic, we divide by 10 in the power of 3. From centimeters to millimeters cubic, we times by 10 is power of 3, which is 1000. Now 1 meter has 100 centimeters. So 1 cubic meter will have 100 cubed. That we divide by 100 cubed, that we times by 100 cubed, and 100 cubes will be 100 times 100 by 100 will be 1 million. So 1 cubic meter equal 1 million cubic centimeters. And between kilometer and meter, 1 kilometer has 1,000 meters. So 1 kilometer will need divide by 1,000 cubed times by 1,000 cubed times by 1,000 cubed. And so 1 cubic kilometer, what will be number if 1,000 we cube it? So 1,000 times 1,000 times 1,000.
Billion. Billion.
Billion. 1,000 times 1,000 million. So will be 1 billion
Mr. V.
cubic meters. Yes.
Did you do the arrows right at the start? Or
The centimeters to meters, because
Sorry, we do from centimeters, from millimeters to centimeters we divide.
yeah, that's right.
Then we from centimeters to meters we divide. So this will be from millimeter with times, and this will be with times because meters smaller, and divide from meters to kilometers cubed. So, for example, if we have 3.5 cubic meters, how many cubic millimeters it will be? Millimeters. So we times it by 1 million, and again by 1,000.
That's
So will be
10
3 billion 500 million millimeters cubic.
Is this gonna be on the test?
Yes,
But we could use a calculator.
and we have a cheat sheet maybe.
formula sheet you will
If we
have.
have a formula sheet, would this be on
So we,
We're only allowed a formula.
They'll provide us with none.
Maybe.
before I will let you know when we will be coming to the test. So, because 1 meter, cubic meter, 2 centimeters, we times by 1 million. But then we need millimeters, so we times another 1,000. Million times 1,000 will be billion. So 3.5. Which step you don't understand? Now, there are other units for volume which actually are used to measure something called capacity. And when you measure volume of a liquid, for example, you have a can with a drink. Do you say that there are certain number of the cubic centimeters?
Yeah.
No, you say there are how many what?
Milliliters.
Milliliters. So, but it's volume. And 1 milliliter, what will be ratio a relation between 1 liter and milliliter? What prefix milli means?
10 divided by 10, 100.
1,000.
Milli, thousand. Millimeter is a thousandth of meter. Milli means always 1,000. So 1 liter is 1,000 milliliters. 1 liter equal 1,000 milliliters. And 1 milliliter is exactly equal 1 cubic centimeter. It's exactly the same thing. So, how many in 1 liter, how many cubic centimeters in 1 liter? How many cubic? 1,000. Yes, because 1 liter, 1,000 millimeters, and 1 milliliter exactly 1 cubic centimeter. So it's 1,000 cubic centimeters. Now, 1 cubic meter, we just talked that it is 1 million cubic centimeters. How many liters will be in 1 cubic meter? How many liters will be in 1 cubic meter?
Divide by 1,000,
Yeah?
which is, take away 3 zeros, 1,000.
Well done.
Yeah.
1 million divided by 1,000 is 1,000. So 1 cubic meter is 1,000 liters. And
Not cubes, not liters, cubes.
no, liter is a unit for volume, but usually we're using liters for volume of liquids and gases. Question: how we calculate volume of the rectangular prism? If we have rectangular prism with we have three dimensions. We have
Base times width times height.
yes, we have length, we have width, and we have height. What will be volume of this prism?
Length times width times height.
Length times width times height. Question is, if let's say you have a pool, with made exactly rectangular prism with the next dimensions, 5 by 2 by 4 meters.
40.
What will be the volume? How much water in liters you need to put to fill this?
In liters, it will be 0.0.
So what will be volume in liters?
0.0.
What will be volume in liters? Sorry, in meters cubic.
40.
5 times 2 times 4. So volume equal 40 cubic meters. 1 cubic meter, how many liters?
5,000.
So how many liters you will need to put?
40,000.
40,000 liters. So you will have to fill this pool with these dimensions. You will need to put the 40,000 liters of water.
That's expensive.
That makes sense.
Okay, that's all theory for today. Like, subscribe, and donate to help Ukraine to fight Russian fascists.
1 like equals 1 prayer for Ukraine.